Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So today we are going to understand the new or carbon compound called methane, and it is the really very important one because it is the parent hydrocarbon. Methane is also called as parent hydrocarbon because all other hydrocarbons are derived from the methane itself. Okay, so let's discuss more about the methane. So methane have its molecular formula CH4. Its molecular formula is CH4, where carbon is bonded with 4 different hydrogen atoms. Okay, its molecular mass. The methane have its molecular mass 16. Its molecular mass of methane is 16 atomic mass unit, or it is also called as unified mass. Okay, so it is again one more important point that you have to remember. Methane gas is also called as marsh gas. It is also called as marsh gas because methane gas generally found in marshy places. It's generally found in marshy places. That's why it is also called as marsh gas. मार्शी गैस का मतलब होता है दलदल, जहां पर मिट्टी बहुत ज्यादा ढीली होती है, वहां डिके डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन कंटिन्यू प्रोसीड होती रहती है, और ड्यू टू दैट वहां पर एनएरोबिक डिके डिकम्पोजिशन होता है ऑर्गेनिक मैटर का, which produces the methane gas that we will discuss later also. Okay, next, the methane gas occurs in natural gas also about 87%. In natural gas, the main component is the methane, which occurs about 87% of it. Okay, then decomposition of organic matter in absence of air. In absence of air, that means it is anaerobic process. In anaerobic process, when the organic matter get decomposed in absence of air, it produces the methane gas. It produces methane gas. Okay. Next we have methane gas is also present in biogas. You know, the cow's dung or cow or buffalo's dung along with the other organic matter, when they degrade in the tank called digester of the biogas plant, where anaerobic decay decomposition of organic matter takes place, due to which the methane gas is formed. Okay, so that gas is nothing but biogas which contain maximum amount of methane. Okay, now next, methane gas is also present in coal mines. Okay, where coal is mined due to the, you know, the coal mines, कोयले की जो माइंस है वहां पर भी जो हमारे मीथेन गैस है, it is also present there. Okay, so again you have to remember methane gas is also present in coal mines. Next, on heating, see, if you want to produce methane gas in laboratory, we have to heat carbon along with hydrogen at 300 degrees Celsius temperature. In presence of nickel, methane gas is formed. This is the laboratory method of preparation of methane gas. Okay. Now, last but not the least, the fractional distillation method or the fractional distillation of natural gas also gives the pure methane gas. Okay. If you want to have the pure methane gas, then you have to go through the fractional distillation method for the natural gas. It produces the pure methane gas. Okay, so just you have to remember again, fractional distillation of natural gas gives pure methane. Okay, so and here on heating the mixture of carbon and hydrogen at 300 degrees Celsius in presence of nickel acts as a catalyst. Okay, in presence of nickel gives methane gas. Okay, so these underlined part are really very important. These are nothing but the highlight. Okay, so students, this is all about the occurrence of methane gas. Okay, so these are the very important point that you have to remember. Okay, so write it down. So now we are going to understand the physical properties of methane. Okay, so as we know, methane gas, it is in gaseous state. Methane is present in gaseous state at a room temperature. Okay, so you have to write first point this one. Okay, methane is present at a gaseous state at a room temperature. Okay, so at normal temperature, methane is present at a gaseous state. Okay, now next, methane is a colorless gas. It do not have its own color. It is the colorless gas. The melting point of methane is very low. It is negative 182.5 degrees Celsius temperature. It is the melting point of methane gas. Okay, and the boiling point of methane is very lower, which is negative 161.5 degree Celsius. And the density of liquid methane is less than that of water. Okay, so the again very important point, the density of methane gas is less than that of water. Okay, so methane is less soluble in water. It is the merely or sparingly soluble in water, but highly soluble in organic solvent like gasoline, alcohol, ether, etc. It is highly soluble in organic solvent. Okay, and this is all about the methane gas physical property. Okay, so students, these are the again very important point. Again, we are going to repeat once. Okay, so the methane gas is a colorless gas and it present in gaseous state at a room temperature. Melting point of methane is negative 182.5 degrees Celsius and boiling point of methane gas is negative 161.5 degrees Celsius. The density of methane gas is less than that of water, and the methane gas is less soluble in water but highly soluble in organic solvent like gasoline, alcohol, ether, etc. Okay, so this is all about the methane gas physical property. Okay, so students, just write it down, then we are going to move the next part of the lecture. Okay, so write it down. So students, here we are completing our today's session. So in today's session we have understood about the what is methane gas, where it is occur in our nature, how it is being produced in laboratory, and all the physical properties of methane gas. Okay, so this lecture is really very important to understand the occurrence of and the physical properties of methane gas. Okay, so students, आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय फ्रॉम